This is my honest review of the Samsung front load steam washer 4.5 cubic foot. It's the WF45R6100. We have owned this washer now for approximately 2.5 years. It has been awesome. It has all of the settings: quick wash, delicate, permanent press, rinse and spin, self-clean, normal, heavy duty, whites, bedding, and sanitized. What we really like is the sanitize. If somebody's sick, we can throw it in there and it sanitizes it. It heats the water up to super hot. And the self-clean is nice because we're on well water, and the well water in one of these things can kind of make the washer stink after a while. So the self-clean cleans it up. It gets rid of that smell. And it's a very big, nice big basket in there. I mean, you can put a fairly large load in there, and we love it. So go out and get your Samsung front load steam washer 4.5 cubic foot. It's well worth it.